Hi YouTube, it's Claudine
and Ray. Cheese. Merry Christmas.
Yes, Merry Christmas. What soup is this? Tell them what soup is.
Goat head and foot and belly.
Yum.
Local yard style. Island style.
Yum.
The head, the feet, and the belly. Nothing waste.
Exactly. True Yardman style.
It's called manish water. Manish water. The proper name for it in Jamaica is manish water. But it's the goat head, the feet, and the belly.
True Yardman style.
Yardman style.
That's it.
So look, let's show you this. It's hot. So it's cooking on the outdoor kitchen.
Manish water.
So you see, look, you see it?
What's the
Nice big pot.
They grew up in America and they love it.
They love it. So I introduce it to them.
I admire them for that.
You see this? You see this guy? You want corn?
Yes, I love corn. Just dumpling for me.
I don't know if it's gonna fit near the corn.
Is there a smaller piece?
Small corn?
Yeah.
Yeah, here you go.
Other way. Oh, okay.
You see it? It's hot. Be careful. Ah.
Oh, shit.
Just cook it.
That's good.
I'm telling you to open it.
You recording?
Food.
That's a good part.
That's in there. Look at that. Yum.
It's a lot of food.
So some of
really
your
good.
some of your American friends gonna be jealous and wanna come over here after all this seeing all these videos. That's how it
Yeah.
always go.
Yeah, that is.
We are the gal them some select a careless DJ that come. The gal them a can't play. Watch another for those who are cheating and represent for the dance for the dope stage that come. You know the thing, but turn up loud. Cheat! separated. Me and my lady. That's the rock of Gibraltar. You cannot go around us. She's stuck to us.
This is mine?
Yes, this is yours.
Yum! Ooh, it's
Careful,
hot.
it is really hot.
Time to dig in.
See how I'm doing it?
I'm on my second shot of managed waffle. And it's crazy good. My favorite part is the broth and the dumplings. Ooh, the sun is shining. Hey guys.
Oh, they have a solar panel.
Yes, never been.
Oh, what's the point?
Mom, what are you wearing?
Because I thought you was before I was talking about the windmill. Yeah. So when you said the solar panel, I'm like,
Wait, you thought I was talking about the windmills?
yeah. I'm like, she's a solar panel over there.
No, I'm just gonna talk about it right here. It's connected. Mom, what are you wearing? What are you wearing? It's time to eat. I see rice and peas, fried chicken. I think I see mac and cheese. But I'm really excited for the rice and peas.
Okay.
Mine?
I think that's it.
Okay.
You want a sip? It's Christmas.
Yes. Pour me up. I love sorrel.
I'm gonna make you a plate?
I'm gonna make a plate and see. Look.
This is what I have. Fried chicken, rice and peas with curry goat, cabbage, and some potato salad.
The best that you can. Out the window after dark. To go over to. You got to sleep. Sun and rain light. All the freedom in people's face. And knowing what the gods were. By the way they rise. So if you don't mind me saying, I can see your outer faces. For a taste of your whiskey, I give you some advice. So I handle it in my body, and he drank me with my best friend. Maybe it's the God who made without you. Maybe that's why you treat me so wrong. I'm not obligated to you. I don't want it. Don't be staring through those brown eyes. You must have seen that this was coming. When I tried to talk to you, you turned away.
You win? You win, raise your guy. Come, you take my side.
I took your side?
Yeah, I'm gonna be the smallest. Take it high. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I don't know if this is fair.
I take it high.
Well, this is fair, but
You don't have to play. Okay.
I'm gonna do it.
Oh, honey, all your cards are showing.
No, they're not.
No,
They
you're
really
going
are.
to
They're showing.
She's gonna win. She's gonna beat all of us.
I will honestly blame her.
No, I
She had
passed.
the first double say, no way.
Yeah, I passed.
You passed her. Good
That's
job.
crazy.
You're good, Damien. Oh. Okay. Watch her get beat by these two little kids.
I know. I'm like, this is not fair.
Watch her get beat by these two little kids.
I am one get beat, but
Okay.
Oh.
If I get beat by these two little kids, I'm gonna cry and take a break from domino.
she said my ego will be.
You passed? So play.
You know, she came to see him one last time. Oh,
My turn? Yeah.
Yeah, it's your turn.
And soon they'll carry him away.
You were ready. You were ready. And here's my ready. Ready?
Make the time go so fast.
watching. Look at that device.
Thank you. Midnight.
Stand up in the garden here.
Hi friends, I'm now sorreled.
Oh yay, sorrel.
Young girl, young girl.
Rice and peas, curry, fried chicken, salad, pasta salad.
Yeah, this is yours.
You think it's spicy? Smile.
Mild is the curry, but you not the curry. You just have rice and chicken eggs. So then why is it spicy? It's just spicy. Spicy. But
When I didn't get no curry and the rice is still spicy.
a tad bit. They probably boil a pepper in there.
Okay, yeah, I can't eat it.
the junior.
You have to leave it that the ice melts. The ice melts. It's supposed to be strong and wrong, but watching, guys, and if you like our videos, hit the notification bell so you know whenever we post. Until next